So there are 5 main purposes. 1 is planning. 2 is attracting. 3 is retaining what you attract. Okay? 4 is developing what you retain, making sure your asset has value, basically. Okay? I'm trying to speak so everybody can understand. All right? Check it. Then, once you develop your skills, your relationships, your mindset, your money, then you're going to transition. Okay? That means you probably got to write it down. You got to put it into words. Okay? So not only are you thinking it, but now you're getting a little visual. All right? As well as speaking it. So speaking it and seeing it and thinking it. Those are 3 of, I hope y'all following me. So, once you get that far, you planning it. Now you attracting because you manifesting, right? So you attracting everything, all the ingredients you need to make tea. All right? Put that shit in the pot. Now you retain that shit. You ain't gonna give it away. You not gonna spend it. You not gonna risk it, okay? You gonna guard it with your life. Retain it. Save. Hold on to. Then once you retain it, you got a hold of it, you gonna develop it, right? You gonna develop it, make it better, make your asset valuable, make it into where it's gonna be passive income, beneficial, generational wealth. It's going to become whatever you want it to become. All right. Then, after you've planted, attracted it, gained it, retained it, developed it to make it better, then you're going to transition. Now, that transition, yeah, another level. Is you following me? It's a strategy. It's the way you do things to get done what you need and want to be done, right? The same strategies that work here in the talent management model that I Googled are the same 5 strategies you can implement in anything in your life, including money, relationships, mindset, goals, dreams, whatever, opportunities for planning, attracting, retaining, developing, and transitioning. You got to plan it. You got to see it, think it, feel it, believe it to attract it. Once you attract it, you're going to retain it, hold on to it. Now that you got that, right? You ain't going to give it away. You ain't going to take no risk with it. You going to guard it with your life. Now that you got it and you holding on to it, saving it, okay? Because you know your time is coming. And I think right there, the retaining is where people fuck up at, okay? Because I don't know where this is coming from, but it's coming. Listen, after you retain it, you're going to develop it because your asset now that you've been working so hard to get or whatever that you planned for, all right? This exact thing that you planned for now, it's right here. It's like 1 mile away, right there within reach. You just got to get to it, okay? It's in eye distance. But some people still look at that distance and be like, damn, that's too far. Let me just stay where I'm at or back to what I know or what I used to do. Past that retaining, you're going to develop self, mind, business plans, strategies. And then once you develop that and make your asset better, right? Make it more valuable, make it wanted and needed, maybe even by others, right? Then you're going to transition. And that transitioning is literally the upper room. Talking about success. That is personal success. No matter what that goal was, no matter what it is that you have planned for, as long as you followed those steps, those 5 simple steps, as long as you did those, I'm pretty sure you got what you wanted. You got what you set out to get. Found what you was looking for. Baby. Now, do it again. This time, think of something different. Whatever it is that you think that you can't do, just give it a try. Put them 5 steps to it without self-doubt, fear. I guarantee you, we're going to all be transitioning real soon. Amen.